Hello and welcome to this brief yoga flow. Now, this particular practice is what we refer to as earth salutations. We'll stay relatively low with a little bit of downward dog, and it'll be a repeat and rinse and repeat flow. So, as and when you're ready, we'll begin to come into a kneeling position. Just ensuring that the shins and the knees are comfortable. And just taking a moment. At the beginning of your next inhale, we're going to take the arms up overhead, taking a gentle back bend. And eventually beginning to hinge, releasing down into a child's pose. Forehead coming down towards the earth. And from this child's, we'll begin to take the hands in front, coming through to a tabletop position. And then a cow pose, smiley face with a spine. We'll take a cat, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. And then neutral, coming through to a downward dog, tucking the toes, lifting the knees, taking the sit bones up and back. And maybe we pedal as it's the first dog. Gently releasing the knees, table. And from here, we'll begin to take the sit bones towards the heels, toes tucked. Lifting that right hand, we'll take a half camel. Releasing the sit bones, taking that right hand towards the right heel, lifting. And coming back down to that half camel even. Tucking the toes downward, dog. We'll begin to gently release the knees back through our table. We'll take a threading of the needle, untucking the toes, taking that right hand up, beginning to thread, right hand going over towards the left, releasing the temple. Left hand beginning to walk forward. And maybe we bind, left hand coming towards the lower back. Beautiful. Begin to bring that left hand back. Pressing in the left hand as we take the right arm up. And back. Down, taking on the other side. Left hand rising. Beginning to thread. Walking that right hand forward. And again, maybe we bind, right hand towards the lower back. Right hand coming down, beginning to unthread that left hand. Left hand coming down, beginning to melt back through to your child's pose. We're here for 2 to 3 rounds of breath, reconnecting with the exhales in particular. Beautiful. As when you're ready, we'll come back through to our kneeling position. We'll take it again, taking the arms up, upward salute. Releasing the hands, coming through to a table, taking your cow pose. Our cow, our cat. Neutral spine, downward dog, tucking the toes, lifting the knees, sitting the sit bones up. Releasing the knees. We'll begin to come back through to that camel, taking that right arm up. Releasing, right hand coming to the heel, left arm. Releasing, coming back through to our downward dog table, lifting the knees. Gently beginning to release the knees back down. We'll take that threading, right arm rising. Beginning to find your rhythm of these earth salutations, taking the left hand forward. Again, maybe we bind. Releasing that left hand, unthreading the right. Right hand coming down. We'll take that threading needle on the opposite side. Right hand walking, maybe binding. Right hand coming down, beginning to unthread that left arm. And we'll begin to come through to your child's, releasing, bowing down. Beautiful. Beginning to come back up to our kneeling position. Upward salute. Taking the hands to our table. Cow. Cat. Neutral spine coming through to our downward dog, tucking the toes, lifting the knees. You're still beginning to release the knees. We'll begin to come to kneeling, taking that half camel. Right hand coming down, left arm rising. Coming back, table, downward dog. Table, threading with the needle, weight into that left hand, inhaling, threading that right arm, beginning to release, taking your choice. Left hand coming down, unthreading that right arm. Right hand coming down, we'll begin to thread on the opposite side. Right hand coming back, unthreading that left arm, and we'll begin to release back through our child's pose. Settling here, 3 to 5 rounds of breath. Beginning to lift the torso. Coming back through to our kneeling position. Casually, we can take the hands together at the heart, and gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for exploring your practice and investing in your well-being. Thank you for taking this very short earth salutation flow. If you'd like to continue, please do. Otherwise, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon.